Foreman Phil here with a lowdown on everything you need to know about staying safe on the job. Now, construction sites. There are thousands of them all over New Zealand. And that means there are thousands of tools being used, currently causing tens of thousands of injuries, ranging from minor cuts and abrasions through to, well, a wide range of life-changing events. Now, the frustrating thing is that many of these injuries, and worse, could have been avoided by the proper use of personal protective equipment. And look, I know what you're thinking.
Man, that's a lot of equipment.
Exactly. But the good news is you may not have to use it all at once, just what you need. And as I've said before, we are all responsible for our own safety, so that also means we're also responsible for our own personal protective equipment too.
Attention! Where is your personal protective equipment? Excellent! And you, green and mean, where's your personal protective equipment? Excellent! Shorty, where's yours? Good job! Sunshine, where's your personal protective equipment? Come on, son, use your noggin! We don't want to protect it for nothing, do we?
And just having a whole heap of equipment won't save you. You actually have to use it too. And it's called personal protective equipment because it's been designed to be worn, well, on a person. Not left here, or here, or here, or here, or there,
或者这里
or here, or even here.
Hey! Lunchtime's over, Sunshine. Get back to work. Chicken.
So think of your workplace, I don't know, like a nightclub. You want to get in, then you wear your personal protective equipment and get used to it because it's not going to go away. So make using protective equipment part of your work persona. But there's no use just wearing any old gear. You do it right every time. So your protective clothing must be the right items for the job, the right size, yet loose enough that you can move freely. Otherwise, it could interfere with your work. Plus, your equipment must be in good condition. Well, your work boots, for example, they must have steel caps, although they can't have any of the metal exposed. Well, oh no, I said good condition, not mint condition. And don't bother with the excuses.
Hey Phil, I drove the wrong ute to work today. Sorry.
La 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 la.
All my overalls are in the wash. Sorry, mate.
La 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 la.
Throw away my earmuffs. I can't hear the radio. Hey, Phil, the plumber borrowed my dust mask.
La 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 la. Because we've heard them all before, fellas, from construction workers all over the country, and the reality is, not a single excuse cuts it. So the simple truth is you've got to ask yourself a couple of questions. Will wearing PPE protect me while I'm doing this thing? And if the answer is yes, then how can I look stylish in it? And I think all the questions have been answered. So come on, guys. Make sure you wear the correct protective clothing for the job. It's the right size, the right fit, and it's in good condition. And maybe together, we can cut down on the number of work-related injuries in construction. So, let's be careful out there today, huh?